अस्सलाम वालेकुम warahmatullahi wabarakatuh। मस्जिद का सदर इकराम, आप तमाम सैप के बारे में जानकारी हासिल कर चुके हैं। सैप स्कूल एकेडमिक प्लान मैं आज आपके सामने क्या है सैप चंद असातिज़ा क्या है बहुत उसके मुताल्लिक़ क्या है बहुत सरफराम कर लेती। जब स्कूल खुलती तो सबसे पहले मिंचिना संचारा वाले आती तो सैप को पूछती मीन्स सैप कहाँ है। तो सैप और एसटीपी तो भी क्या है अलग-अलग है। सैप जो हर साल बनाया जाता है, जो एसटीपी स्कूल डेवलपमेंट प्लान क्या है वो 3 साल में एक मरतबा के वास्ते बनाया जाता। तो सैप जो बुक रही हमारे पास जो सैप बुक रही थी, सैप का रिकॉर्ड रहता वो क्या है स्कूल एकेडमिक प्लान यानी स्कूल का तालीमी मंसूबा। इसमें क्या है हमारे बच्चों की जून से लेकर लास्ट तक हमारे क्या सरगर्मियों को अंजाम देती है उसके मुताल्लिक़ मालूमात रखने वाले रजिस्टर को क्या है हमें सैप बुक कहा जाता है। तो रेस्पेक्टेड टीचर्स, फर्स्ट आई हैव टू एक्सप्लेन अबाउट द सैप बुक स्कूल एकेडमिक प्लान। It is very mandatory, it is very compulsory to adapt in every year in schools. It is not we have to take last year or before last year. Just for glance or just for clarification we have to take last year or before last year. Otherwise every year it is the duty of HM and the class teacher we have to follow. For 2nd standard to up to 9th standard we have to follow the SAP book, school academic plan. Means what should we have to do in initial stage when our student come to after holidays. For 2nd to 9th standard, dear teachers, in SAP book first we have to see namune for annexure 1 means it is the basic information means what is the school, what is our school name, how many population in our village, and so many things we have to see in this first page. And second page the teachers information, how many teachers are working in this school, in our school, how many are deputed, how many are within deputed, which training we have taken. So many information, the date of birth, every information about teacher is related in this form. So, number 2 annexure. And third one the bridge course. What is the bridge course? Already we have know what is the bridge course. When our children come to our school from within 6 or 5 June we have to take must and should bridge course means pre-test, because in our schools our children coming up to 10th they have, because they are in their paternal or maternal family, maternal parents house. So it is very mandatory, because when the bridge course is depend on the last previous class competencies. In this SAP book first they have to given the basic competencies for 1 to 2nd standard, which competencies we have to follow 2nd standard in Urdu language, in maths, in Kannada, in English, in Urdu, in every subject. On the basis of that competencies we have to take a paper, question paper, or other it may be a 10 marks, it may be a 20 marks. Well, dear teachers, first when our Minchina Sanchara Tanda come to our school, first they have to ask from teacher where is your bridge course record. So that's why you have to follow the bridge course record. First you have to read 2nd standard competencies, main 10 competencies. After that you have to prepare a question paper or answer sheet, and for question paper evaluation, a question paper analyze of question paper, and which question our children got A grade and B grade. If the children got 15 A and B, so he come in on B grade. Next we have to write column here, number, serial number, and student, which student is got B grade. and which is for B grade. We have to, and next page is for remedial. We have to done remedial columns. What steps we have to adopt for remedial class for these students which they got B grade. After that, when now we complete remedial teaching, after that we have to here write post test question paper, post test answer sheet, post test post test answer analysis, and after that which student got finally A or B. If in post test any student got B grade, he come on remedial teaching till when they get all competencies of second standard. We have to follow his or her. It's our duty, because they didn't get second standard competencies, third standard competencies, fourth standard competencies. So it is our bridge course record. Here the bridge course record is ended. After all, we have to make a list, remedial student list. We have to prepare class wise, and we have to hang it in our class teacher as in her classroom, his classroom. Our the bridge course is finished here. And after that, their teachers in this SAP book, they have to given 3 columns. First, they have to given competencies 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and pre-test, post-test. When in which in first competencies, otherwise our children got A or B, we have to put there, and he have to put there. And after that, we have take already I have given to all information about bridge course. So which activities we have to follow to got such type of competencies to our student. So in last page we have to see co-curricular activities. In your school we have science club, maths club, these things are in our school, we have to follow. They have to given in last page. So dear teachers, this is the SAP book. There is no, we have to, you didn't fear anything about SAP book. It is my idea, it is my experience. First I have prepared myself, because I have maintained 1 to 5th class first I have myself, I prepare SAP book, bridge course book. First I prepare bridge course book. After that my SAP book. After that school SAP book. So it is very easy, because when we follow these steps as a teacher, it is very easy for follow the SAP book. Dear teachers, it is very mandatory, because when our Minchina Sanchara Kanda come to our school, first they have to ask the question paper and answer paper of the answer sheets of our children and the bridge course record. First they have to ask. It's my experience since 5 years. Since 5 years, I have to first when our Tanda came to our school, they have to, where is the madam, where is your bridge course? Because so many teachers neglect. So once again I repeat, dear teachers, first we have to follow our bridge course register. First we have to write competencies, pre-test question paper, pre-test answer sheet, means answer sheet evaluation, and remedial teaching, and post-test question paper, post-test answer sheet, post-test answer evaluation analysis, and remedial student, and here B grade student. These are the things. These are the important points we have to see in this SAP book, School Academic Plan, School का तालीमी मंसूबा. तो बहरकैफ तमाम असातिज़ा इकराम, अब स्कूल खुलने के लिए सिर्फ 16 दिन बाकी है, तो सबसे पहले हमें असातिज़ा को चाहिए हमें सैप बुक के साथ हमें सैप बुक सबसे पहले क्या है ब्रिड्ज कोर्स की बुक हमारे पास ब्रिड्ज कोर्स रजिस्टर तैयार करना है। उसके बाद क्या है सैप बुक हमें बनाना है। सैप बुक जब वो रेडी रहती तो हमें मालूम होता कि कौन से बच्चे किस मुकाम पर हैं बोल करके है मालूम होता। इसलिए क्या है ये सैप बुक कोई बड़ा हमारे सर पर क्या है बड़ा बोझ नहीं है। इसको आसानी समझें और आसानी के साथ क्या है इसको पूरा करने की कोशिश करें। इंशाअल्लाह ताला अल्लाह ताला हम तमाम के नेक इरादों में कामयाबी खैर बरकत और कामयाबी अता करें। हम तमाम असतिज़ा किराम को नेक सेहत और तंदुरुस्ती के साथ क्या है हमारे कौम के बच्चों को पढ़ाने के लिए अल्लाह ताला जो हमें मुकर्रर किया है इस पाक पेशे को हमें क्या है अल्लाह को हाजिर और नासिर रखते हुए क्या है पूरा करने की कोशिश करेंगे। वाखिर दावाना अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन जज़ाकल्लाहु खैरन कसीरन कसीरा। तमाम असतिज़ा किराम का शुक्रिया। अल्लाह ताला मुझे भी क्या है आपके सामने इस नाचीज़ को चंद एक मालूमात को बोलने का मौका दिया। प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल, लाइक, कमेंट्स because it helps for my more videos to send to you all. Thank you.